Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with KuCoin API key and passphrase detailed guide. To begin, navigate to the KuCoin website and log into your account. Once logged in, head over to the API management section. Here, you'll see an option to create a new API key. Click on the Create API button to proceed. You will be prompted to define a label for your new API key. Enter a name that clearly identifies its purpose. Next, set the permissions for your API key based on your requirements. You can choose to allow access for trading, withdrawals, or other specific actions. After setting the permissions, you may be asked to complete a security verification process. This step helps ensure that only authorized users can create API keys. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. Once verified, you'll receive your API key and secret key. Make sure to save them in a secure location, as you won't be able to see the secret key again. Now, let's move on to the passphrase. You will also need to set a passphrase during the API key creation process. Choose a strong passphrase that is not easy to guess. Once you have both the API key and passphrase, you are ready to integrate them with your application. To authenticate, you'll need to use the API key, secret key, and passphrase in your API requests. Be sure to follow KuCoin's API documentation for the correct authentication format. When making requests, include the API key in the headers. Sign your requests with the secret key as specified in the documentation. Make sure to include your passphrase in the appropriate section of your request. Test your setup by making a basic API call, such as checking your account balance. If everything is configured correctly, you should receive a successful response. If you encounter any errors, double-check your API key and passphrase. Ensure that all settings are correctly applied in the API management section. Keep your credentials secure and do not share them with anyone. Avoid including your API keys in public repositories or unsecured locations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.